sky, I'll carry you home, home to the mountaineers.
Hi everyone, welcome to my first studio vlog. I just want to say enjoy and let me know what you think about it.
The ones you left behind, and I'll sing for you all the way home. But why does it feel like home isn't home? I've been in this war too long. It's in the air that I breathe.
Right now I will work on a professional project, so I can't really show my screen, unfortunately. I'm working for someone, so I can't really show. I will just show me drawing, but I will share when I will draw for me, for my own artworks, of course.
There she stands just like before, but she doesn't look the same. The fear in her eyes, I've seen it before, and she can't.
So this morning I finished my project, one of my projects. In fact, I'm working in children book covers, and I have a few children book covers to do. So yesterday when I was recording, I started I think the 6th, and I finished it this morning, and I'm really glad of the result, I have to say. I really like to have this kind of project. It's something I really love. I also put a bit of break in this video because I wanted to speak about the children book I illustrated this year with Fiona. So this is it. So this is Franco. This is a children book of 24 pages. Yes, it's that. And we worked on this project for a bit more than 1 month. It was incredible. I really like the story, I really like the topic of the book, and I really like to illustrate it, to create and to give life to this character. It was a real pleasure to work with her. If I'm speaking about it, it was just also to show the book and to recommend to everybody who like a children book. This is an incredible book. And now I wanted to say that Fiona recontacted me and she proposed me to work on her second book. So I accepted, of course, and now I will start to work on the character design. This is an incredible new story. I have a lot of ideas already. I'm really excited to work on it with her again. So I just wanted to share that. Stop talking and let's draw. Another day. Today I need to finish the character for the new book with Fiona. I started yesterday and right now I will work more on it and I will see what I prefer. So, and I will send to her. So this is exciting. So I will do that today and I will finish the Draw This in Your Style. So you will follow me in drawing and to apply the color for the character. So this is a big day. After that I also need to walk my little girl, but now she's sleeping, so it's okay. And I want to enjoy a bit the sun that we have today here. So let's go for a new day and let's go. Let's draw. I just finished to work on the character design. I spent a few hours and now I'm really glad of the results, so I will send it. Now I will continue. Okay, now I will do a break, of course. I need a break, I need to go for a walk or something, and after that I will continue and I will share with you the Draw This in Your Style. So I will draw the character because I already did the background. I will see.
Bye.